My India, my pride. I love my India, brave and bright, a land of peace, a shining light. With mountains high and rivers wide, my heart is filled with joy and pride. A flag flies high in the sky so blue, saffron white and green so true. The Ashoka Chakra spins with grace, a symbol of progress for every place. Freedom came through courage and care, because our heroes chose to dare. They dreamed of hope, they stood so strong to give us the rights where we belong. Today I promise, loud and clear, to learn, be kind and never fear. I'll help my country every day with honest words and thoughtful way. Jai Hind, my voice is proud and free. India means the world to me.